everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning and organizing. Under my kitchen sink here has been bugging me for a long time. It's so cluttered. I can't really see what all I have, so I buy extras of things, and that's just wasteful. So I'm going to start with just taking everything out, wiping it down really well, and then organizing it all back in. I feel like the nesting stage has definitely started up for me. I'm currently 23 weeks pregnant. I feel like it took longer for that to start up with my daughter, but with this, the urge to clean and organize everything is just so strong. I'm just going ahead and getting into it.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
This shelf and turntable both came from Amazon. My idea is to put everything that I use more frequently on the turntable for easy access, and then doubles that I have of things or refills to put on the shelf and in the back. Miss Grace here loves to help with everything that I'm doing. I try to include her with the things that I do. I don't like her handling these chemicals as much, but the child-proof locks we have on this cabinet are the magnetic ones, and she can literally just pull them open. So you'll see later that I get a new child-proof lock to replace it so she can't get in this cabinet anymore, and she's not a fan of that.
Pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
The reality here is that simply putting sponges and rags into this box took forever. She just kept wanting to take them in and out and help as much as she could, and honestly, I'm fine with that, with taking my time with her to let her participate. My husband, I try to include her with everything that we do, whether it's hammering a nail in a wall or helping to clean up a mess. She just wants to be a part of it, and she's learning that way.
You remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders.
So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. Everything is easily accessible, and I know what all is in here. I really hope that we're able to keep it like this and not just start throwing stuff back in here, which sometimes can be the easier thing to do. Now I'm installing the new childproof lock that we got. It's really simple and easy to use, a lot better than the magnets, and you can see here she realized she can't get in the cabinet anymore. Now moving on to the fridge. It is so cluttered and unorganized, and I in general don't like fridges like this because I feel like there's no good way to organize it. And right now, there's just not even room for the food that we cook, so it really needs cleaned out well. So right now, shelf by shelf, I'm just emptying them out and then going to take them out and wash them.
And I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart.
I love cleaning out my fridge, but I don't take all the shelves out to wash them nearly enough. When you do, it just makes it all look clean and bright and just so much better. And there's something about putting the food that you eat in a clean space that makes all the difference. Now I'm just going through and putting the things back onto the shelf with where I want it. And then I'll move on to the next shelf with clearing that off and taking it out to give it a good wash. This drawer was so cluttered, I couldn't see everything that was in here, and you'll see here that I take out some cheese that has mold growing on it. It's such a bad feeling when you find food in your fridge that has mold growing, and it's like, man, that's so overdue to be thrown out and cleaned, and it just increased the need to want to clean this even more.
I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends. Play me like a song stuck in your head, but you still get my blood rushing. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me.
Does anybody else have this type of fridge and have a better way of organizing it than I do, where you can see everything a lot better, or maybe some containers that you use that you really like for it? I have played around with it so much and I just can't ever get everything in here just how I would like. My dream fridge is one with the freezer on the bottom and it's just a huge fridge up top. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to get one of those, but for now this works and I can't just justify getting rid of it.
But I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under. It looks good, kill. Let's go back to where it all began and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let the soul, the record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let the soul, the record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let the soul, the record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let the soul, the record play. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
It amazes me how fast you can make a process look on here, because cleaning this fridge took hours and it actually ran over into dinner time, so I had to pause to feed my daughter some dinner, and I just continued cleaning it while she ate so I would be able to actually get it done tonight. But yeah, it's always shocked me how long it takes to go through all of your food and just clean everything out.
Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a
I was actually hoping to clean out the freezer as well, but by the time that I was done with this fridge, I was exhausted. I'm nearing my 3rd trimester right now, so I feel my body getting more tired with being active. And so I'm just trying to take it easier, and I'll clean the freezer out another day.
Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing.
And here it is, the final product. It is so nice and clean and bright and fresh, and there's no food with mold in it anymore in here, and it's such a good feeling just having it all cleaned out. I hope that this video was able to give you some motivation to tackle some things around your house that need attention, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. Thank you.